In this video, I'll show you how to program Universal Remote for Insignia TV. Step 1. Get ready. Power on your Insignia TV and check for new batteries in the remote. Find the list of Insignia TV codes in your remote's manual. Insignia TVs often use codes from other brands like Toshiba or LG. Step 2. Enter the code. Press and hold the setup or TV button on the universal remote. When the light blinks, enter the first 4 or 5-digit Insignia code. Release the button and wait for the light to turn off. Step 3. Test and confirm. Point the remote at the TV and press the power button. If the TV responds, the code is correct. Press enter or stop to save your remote. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with the next code on your list. And that's it for this video. That's how you program your universal remote for your Insignia TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.